The Yash Raj Films (YRF) spy universe didn't start as a planned franchise, it evolved from the success of individual spy films. It began in 2012 with Ek Tha Tiger, starring Salman Khan as Raw Agent Avinash Singh, Tiger, Rathod, and Katrina Kaif as ISI agent Zoya Hamani. The film was a box office sensation, breaking multiple records in India and overseas. While at the time it was seen as a standalone action thriller, it planted the seeds for something much larger. 5 years later came Tiger Zinda Hai, 2017, which expanded the scale, showing the potential for big-budget Indian spy blockbusters to compete with Hollywood action franchises. With lavish international locations like Austria, Morocco, Greece, and Abu Dhabi, plus large-scale stunts and military missions, the Tiger sequel pushed the envelope for Indian cinema's action genre. But the true turning point for the spy universe was War, 2019, directed by Siddharth Anand. This film starred Hrithik Roshan as Kabir, a rogue raw agent, and Tiger Shroff as Khalid, his protégé tasked with stopping him. The film's storytelling, blending espionage with breathtaking action choreography, marked it as a game-changer. The stylish cinematography, exotic filming locations, Portugal, Italy, Morocco, Australia, and high-octane chase sequences elevated YRF's spy ambitions. Critically, War was praised for Hrithik's charismatic performance, Tiger's athletic action scenes, and the unpredictability of the plot. It was also YRF's highest-grossing film of 2019 and one of India's top earners of all time. Importantly, War introduced a darker, more complex tone, a step away from the more patriotic, clear-cut moral boundaries of Tiger films. Kabir was a morally ambiguous hero, adding depth to the YRF spy roster. By the time Pathaan was announced, the YRF spy universe was official. Pathaan directly connected with Tiger, confirming crossovers and shared storylines. But fans immediately began asking, where does Kabir fit into all this? After all, Hrithik's Kabir was a fan favorite, and his mysterious background made him perfect for a larger interconnected universe. This set the stage for War 2, which would not only bring back Kabir but also merge the spy worlds in an epic way. What makes War 2 the central pillar? While Pathaan introduced Shah Rukh Khan into the spy world and teased Tiger's return, War 2 is the film that can truly bind the universe together. Directed by Ayan Mukherjee, War 2 has the unique opportunity to blend high-tech espionage, emotional storytelling, and crossovers with other YRF spies. One of the most anticipated elements is the reported casting of N.T. Rama Rao Jr., NTR, the Telugu superstar famous for RRR. His inclusion signals YRF's ambition to make War 2 a pan-Indian cinematic event, not just a Hindi-language blockbuster. This also means more southern Indian markets will engage with the spy universe, a huge strategic move for box office dominance. From an industry standpoint, War 2 could serve as the Avengers-level crossover for Indian spies. Rumors suggest possible appearances or references to Pathaan, Tiger, and Zoya, setting up a massive multi-film climax. With Ayan Mukherjee's knack for spectacle, we can expect a visually rich film blending urban action, covert missions, and globe-trotting sequences in cities like Baku, Azerbaijan, Madrid, Spain, and Dubai, UAE. Fan theories also suggest that War 2 might address unanswered questions from the first film. What exactly happened to Kabir after the events of War? Will Khalid, Tiger Shroff, return, possibly with a twist to his character arc? Could Kabir be tested against other YRF spies in a morally grey mission where alliances shift? On the business side, War 2 will likely aim for an international release strategy similar to Pathaan, targeting countries like UAE, UK, USA, Australia, and Singapore. If it lands well, it could cement YRF spy franchise as India's answer to the mission, Impossible or James Bond series.